All right, so this one isn't going to be for everybody. It's a sardine sandwich. Just a tin of sardines. I always buy whatever's on sale. So on the bottom, I'm just going to put a couple of sardines and then kind of mush them with my fork. And one of them, I'm going to put some Swiss cheese on. And I know that sounds strange, but it works. All right, now cucumber. Just slice some of that off pretty thin. So I'm going to put some cucumbers on there. On both sandwiches. Like I said, I'm making two different styles. Or two different kinds here. And they're both good. Tomato is not going on the one with the cheese. This is a red onion. And that's going on both. And then I got some romaine heart here. Okay, so now the one without the cheese is going to get mayo. And then the one without the tomato and lettuce, that one's going to get a little bit of Dijon-style mustard. I've done these before, different variations of sardine sandwiches, but I never did two different ones at the same time. Usually when I'm making a couple of sandwiches, I just make them both the same and race through them and just make them. So this will be kind of interesting to see which one I like better. And of course, mustard goes good with sardines. I should put a drop of Tabasco on this one, but I'm not going to. All right, so I'm going to try the one with the mayonnaise first because I think it's going to be less assertive than the one with the mustard. So let's give this one a try. It's really good. Cucumbers, for some reason, I don't know why, but cucumbers go really good with sardines and anchovies too. So now let me try the one with the mustard without the lettuce and without the tomato. That's interesting. Like I said, I've made a lot of sardine sandwiches. And if I make little ones like this, I always just make them the same. This is the first time, believe it or not, it's the first time I've ever done it two different styles. And they are absolutely two completely different things. The one with the cheese and the mustard tastes the way you would think in your mind how a sardine sandwich would taste. The one without the cheese and it has the mayo and the lettuce and the tomato doesn't taste at all like you would think a sardine sandwich would taste. So if you're a little leery of eating sardines, because I know there's almost like a stigma attached to sardines and anchovy or any fish in a can. I don't know why. I love all of it. But if you don't, if you're kind of on the fence about sardines, try the one with the lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, onion, and cucumber first because it's way less sardiney than the one with the cheese, the onion, and the mustard. Give them a try. They're good. It's good. It's good sandwich.